and you've also got the front, but all of this should just fit into that little space there. So you just lift that lid.
Oh, and then it falls down because I didn't grab it properly.
You fit one little
And luggage.
case there, and
A rucksack maybe? Or two maybe.
a little rucksack. As you can see, there's still space down here if you've got
Waters or drinks. Laptop
handbags
bag
and all that sort of stuff will go in there.
Bum bag.
Bum bag would fit in there, but keep that in.
Okay, that's two gone. This is the big case that goes in the hold. One in. Two in. Three in. The rucksack. One more. I think that's easy enough.
You've got space for another rucksack that's the same size will fit there. You've got all space down there. You've also got the space in the front. You've got all the charging wires and stuff. So you can come with this or anything.
But
Let's give you a size. Like a bottle of.
oh right, okay.
This is
That's
500ml bottle.
that's standard.
It won't, at the bottom here, you have to put them that way, but you get probably about 12 or so, maybe more.
So you could fit a couple of packs of water in there.
Yeah.
Gosh, the car's got dirty.
That's just overnight, you was clean, wasn't it?
Alright then, there you go.
Okay, so that's how to, the amount of luggage we can fit in the boot of the Tesla.
What model is this?
This is a Model 3 long range. Okay, thanks for watching guys, see you all real soon.